All right, happy Monday morning to you. I'm meteorologist Josh Donen for John Scalzi today. He'll be back tomorrow. Looking at the radar, the only thing we can really find is a few showers that are well off in the Atlantic on the east coast of Florida. But for us along the west coast, nothing to show you right now. Could have a few specks of shower activity later on this afternoon. I'll show you that in the Futurecast in just a moment. Temperatures right now, we're walking out to beautiful conditions, mid to upper 70s at this hour. But with the dew points around the same current temperature, there could be some areas of patchy fog. So look out for that on your morning commute today. So it's going to be another warm one. Temperatures top out in the upper 80s, lower 90s. Showers will be the case the middle of this week, and then by the upcoming weekend, looks like things will clear out. We'll have a little cooler temperatures, not really that cool. I mean, mid 80s compared to upper 80s, but still, it'll be a mild weekend for us. In the tropics, the only thing we can really find is what's going on down here in the western Caribbean. This has about a 30% chance of development. It is moving westward, though. And as you can see, west of where the system is land. So once this crosses land, it's pretty much going to fall apart. So we're not concerned about that. Other big story here on the national picture is this big dip of blue colors. That is a trough. Right now, it is 19 degrees in Denver. So they are experiencing some winter conditions over there. Last couple of days, they had some snow that came down, and heavy snow up to 10 inches in Cheyenne, Wyoming. Front has passed them by. Now they're feeling that northerly wind. That's why it's 19 for Denver. But still some snow falling in northern New Mexico and into Kansas, and that's why the National Weather Service has issued winter weather watches and advisories and warnings for those folks there. But not for us. If you are planning on flying out of SRQ today, both Atlanta, LaGuardia, and O'Hare and Charlotte have no delays at this time. So I talked about maybe some isolated showers later on today. We'll put the Futurecast in motion. Maybe in eastern Manatee County, a pop-up shower potentially in central Manatee County and eastern Sarasota County. Again, these are going to be isolated, very minimal chance. I think most of us will be dry today and experience mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. For the boaters today, a southeasterly wind becoming south at 10 knots. Sea is 1 to 2 feet with a light chop in the bay. At the beach today, we should be around 87 degrees. Put your sunscreen on, though, because the UV index will be on the high side with a UV index at 8. 90 for our high. The average is 86, so above that today. It will feel close to 100 degrees, though, and an easterly wind about 5 to 10 miles per hour. And the easterly wind is going to be the story here because we've been experiencing more of a northwesterly, northerly wind over the last couple of days. Dry air was above us over the weekend, pretty much quiet conditions, but with this easterly and then eventually southeasterly wind, that's going to bring more moisture into the area. And by middle of this week, you can see more clouds, some shower activity, but then things start to dry out as we get into the upcoming weekend. And like I said, temperatures cool down slightly into the mid 80s and more average like around 86 degrees this coming Sunday.